Hey everyone! So if you want to know how to make this stuffed chicken parmesan, just keep on watching. So the ingredients you're gonna need are chicken breasts, salt and pepper, mozzarella shredded cheese, all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, half cup of breadcrumbs and half cup of Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and 2 cups of marinara sauce. So the first thing you're gonna do is add salt and pepper. And then we are going to cut them in half. And then we're going to add mozzarella cheese.
And then what I like to do is put a toothpick so the cheese won't come out.
Okay, now your chicken is ready to get dipped into the flour. Next, we're going to dip it into the egg. And after, we have to dip it into the breadcrumbs and Parmesan mixture. And then you just let it sit somewhere and proceed to the next one.
Okay, now that your chicken is ready to cook, on a pan, we're going to add some oil. I'm using olive oil, and I don't measure it, I just put as much as I want.
Okay, now I'm going to be adding the chicken breasts.
And we're going to let them cook 4 minutes on each side, or until it gets brown or golden. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to preheat the oven in 400 degrees. My stove broke, so gotta fix that.
Now we're going to flip it. Okay, now that the chicken is brown, it is ready to go into the oven.
So now I'm going to put the chicken breast here. I lined it with foil.
And I'm going to add a little bit of cooking spray, just so it won't stick. So now I will be adding the chicken breast. And I will be adding the marinara sauce. I will also be adding more mozzarella cheese.
Now we can put it inside the oven. And it should be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked 165 degrees.
Okay, now the chicken should be ready.
Alright, well this is how it should look like. Nice and cheesy in the middle. And very cheesy.
Now that the chicken is ready, you could add some vegetables on the side or rice or whatever you prefer. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.